Guys, I'm on my way to a court hearing. It's so early today. It's 6:30 a.m. And wala ko'y tulog, guys. Kaya nag-prepare ko sa kong case. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, lawyer pa po pala ako. Diyan pagtuon ninyo, guys, nga nag-artista na ko or nag-pursue na ko o pagka-first lady. Lawyer pa rin po ako above all. And dili ko pa nun sa kong papa, guys. It's just going to be me. And I have to do well. Kay patay ko sa kong papa, guys. If maunsa ni akong client, what the hell? I'm so allergic to work. Kasi no, gisipon ako, giubon ako. Yung ano ako, allergic ko narbaho, guys. Thank you, Lord, for this degree. Thank you, Lord, for making me pass the bar exam. Pero te, kapagod te, pero cute ng outfit ko. Super cute ng akong outfit, guys, no? Serious akong case karon ha, promise. This is my perfume. And this is what's inside my bag. Powder Hourglass. Blush Dior. Lip tint Dior. Thank you, Ate Pearl. So this is going to be my courtroom outfit. Kung madawat nga appearance fee, karon akong ipagamit pang color sa kong hair. Kaya dahil natubo na ang color sa kong buhok. Anyway, I'm off to the courtroom, guys. Bye!
Diba guys, nagpasalon good after hearing